Now, more leads, that sounds great, until you realize that all of those leads are not the right fit. Does that sound familiar? Many businesses and sales teams waste time chasing price shoppers and tire kickers, and even folks that can't remember reaching out to you in the first place. The real issue here is that the marketing that they're doing is not aligned to the end goal in mind, getting those jobs that they want and building a predictable flow of revenue for those leads. Be careful that you don't build a marketing strategy just for marketing volume or for lead volume, that you build a strategy that's going to help maximize your bottom line, maximize profitable jobs that you want to take. Recently, I spoke to an SDR. His main job is to set leads for a closer, and he works with a bunch of different lead sources. He works with HomeAdvisor and Angie's List, and he also has a really dependable system, marketing system, that gets quality leads coming in that they own and that only they can follow up to and work with. Here's what he finds is those lead vendors, only 1 in 5 or 1 in 6 is what he says, are actually showing up for that initial consultation, 1 in 5. Of those that are from his system, it's 80%, it's 4 out of 5 are showing up for that initial meeting. So for the lower quality leads that he's dealing with, he's spending a ton of time reaching out, calling, email after email to try to get them to schedule, where the more quality leads, he's able to spend less time on them and focus his other efforts on things that are more effective. The other thing that's really interesting for him too is when those leads show up for the closer is closing those leads about 2 times more often if they come from the system that they own. Now, that should make sense because they're not price shopping. They're not bidding out to 5 or 6 other companies and going with the lowest priced offering. They're really interested and they've explored that company and they know about them and they're coming to them. And so their close rates are much higher. So I mentioned this in a previous video, but you want to make sure that your marketing is built around the ideal customer that you have and exactly what type of jobs you want to pull in. So really making sure that that's well defined is the first step. And also you want to make sure you're not making the mistake of just going after lead volume. You want to go after quality leads. Volume is important, but you want to make sure that you're going after leads that are actually folks that you want to talk to. They're folks that are ready to buy, they pay well, and they're going to be loyal customers over their lifetime. Again, it's really not about traffic. It's about the bottom line and about what's going to help you capture the revenue and the jobs that you want. Your time is way too valuable to be chasing bad leads. With the right strategy put in place, you're going to be able to take steps to move and close those jobs and grow your business with the type of jobs that you want so you can predictably scale. I hope that tip was helpful, and here's to your success.